viewers, welcome back to another video of Python tutorial from my channel. In previous videos, we discussed about lists, tuples, and we learned how we can manipulate lists. Now the question is this, that can we really manipulate the tuples also in Python? So the answer is yes, but we cannot perform this task directly. If you because tuple is immutable, if you want to change, add, or remove a value from a tuple, there is no direct method to perform such. Because as I said, tuple is immutable, so for that you need to change your tuple into list. You should make a list of your tuple and then bring changes in that. Like if you want to add, you can add in that list. If you want to remove, you can remove from that list, and if you want to swap or do any task, you can perform your task on your list, and then when you modified your list, you convert that list back into the tuple. Like that, you have brought changes to your first tuple. But without that, you cannot perform change, or you cannot bring changes in your tuples. So let's just come and perform an example, do an example, so that it should be clear for you to know this better. Okay, I'll just write a very simple program for you. Apple, banana, cherry. Okay, this is, for example, this is my tuple now. Now I want to bring changes in my tuple. For example, I want to add another value here, or I want to remove some values from this tuple. So I'll just make a list of this. I'll declare a variable here and say list of x. Now I've created a list of this tuple, and now I'll add another value to my list. Y dot append. I'll write down the string or the value that I want to add in my tuple, for example mango. Okay, this is the value that I want to add. Next, I want to remove a value from my tuple element. So I'll just say y dot pop. Pop means delete, remove. Pop the second index of my tuple, list. And I'll say that I'll replace banana with kiwi. Okay, I'll write that y1 equals to kiwi. It simply means that in the index 1, which is this banana, put this kiwi in place of banana. And this simply means that append means add mango in my now it's list, in my list. And second, this one here is said that y dot pop 2. It means that delete or remove the second index of my tuple. Now let's run this and see what happens. What is the output here? Oh, sorry, I didn't just print it. So we'll simply say that x is equals to tuple y, and then we will first I just converted this x tuple into list, and then I just converted the list that I just modified here. I converted that back into tuple. Okay, now I'll print this. Print x. What is this? Okay, now we can see that the first is apple, it is as it is. The second one is here, first in our tuple it's banana, the first index, but we have said here that in place of banana replace this kiwi. Now here we can find kiwi in place of banana. And next we said that pop this index 2 of our list, which is cherry. We just deleted this. Here we cannot find any cherry. And the last one the first one we said that append mango. Now mango is added at the end of our tuple here. This is how we can bring changes in our tuple, but it's not a direct way, it is an indirect way. We have performed this by converting our tuple into list and then modify that and then convert that back into tuple. Okay? Now, we can concatenate two tuples without converting them to list also. We can perform this task, concatenate our tuples without changing the tuple into list. Let's just perform an example here. Okay, I'll do this example. I'll perform this for you. For example, this is x and this is x2. x2 equals to mango, orange, grapes. Okay, this is our two tuples. Now I'll declare another tuple, which is supposed to say 4. Okay, I'll declare both here and say that x plus x2. We'll concatenate this both here, and here we'll print. Now let's see what happens. Okay, let me just show you it completely. Okay, our first tuple is apple, banana, cherry. Okay, this is apple, banana, cherry, and the second tuple is mango, orange, grapes. This is mango, orange, and grape. So we've just concatenated these two tuples with each other and without converting it to a list. Why it is performed easily without converting them to list? Because we are just creating a new tuple. Here we've created a new tuple here, and we are not bringing changes to our this previous or first tuples. Due to that, we can perform our task easily without changing them into list. Okay. Now, I think it's enough for today, because the video will be lengthy and it will be hard for me to upload, because previous time my video was about 10 minutes or 11 minutes, but I was not able to upload that on YouTube. I don't know what error was coming, so I think it's enough. And in next videos also I'll be discussing about tuples and the methods that are important for you to know. So till next video, Allah Hafiz.